The word cartoon is derived from the Italian word carton. The spelling of carton C-A-R-T-O-N-E and the spelling of cartoon is C-A-R-T-O-O-N. The meaning of Italian word carton is strong, heavy paper. When men's faces are drawn with the resemblance to some other animals, the Italians call it as caricature. Benjamin Franklin's Joy in or Die was the first ever American cartoon. David Lowe is called the father of world political cartooning. And K. Shankar Pillai is called father of Indian political cartooning. In England, some humorous writers came together and started one magazine titled Punch. Do you know the meaning of punch? We generally call this section punch. But that punch was derived from word punchinello. In Italy, there were puppet shows. In these shows, there was a character, very humorous, funny character. His name was Punchinello. The word punch came from that character Punchinello. The spelling of that Punchinello is P-U-N-C-H-I-N-E-L-L-O. In India, some other people started a similar magazine. The Indian Punch. This magazine was first published in 1859 and was very popular all over India. Fardunji Marzban started newspaper named Bombay Samachar. Later this newspaper was named Mumbai Samachar. That time there was no arts college in Mumbai. The J.J. School of Arts started in 1880. The newspaper editors were searching for talented illustrators and cartoonists. Bajirao Raghubai Yadav was first illustrator and cartoonist. His first illustration was published in 1843. At that time, many mythological books were decorated by Bajirao Yadav's illustration. Bajirao Yadav's nephew Krishnaji Balwant Yadav came to Mumbai and joined his uncle as an illustrator and cartoonist. They were drawing the caricatures of Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak. After that, K. Shankar Pillai started the cartoon weekly, Shankar's Weekly. Thereafter, Balasaheb Thackeray started the Marathi cartoon weekly, Marmik. Both K. Shankar Pillai and Balasaheb Thackeray gave the opportunity to many upcoming cartoonists. In Free Press Journal, there were three cartoonists working together, R.K. Lakshman, Balasaheb Thackeray, and in Maharashtra, in Marathi literature, Shankarrao Kirloskar was a popular cartoonist. His two book collections are very popular in Maharashtra. The names of these books, Lagna Mandapatil Vinod and Takacha Peki. Shankarrao Kirloskar started the magazine Kirloskar Khabar. One day, Swatantraveer Savarkar visited Kirloskar Press. He objected to the word Khabar in Kirloskar magazines. Swatantraveer Savarkar told them, when your magazine in Marathi, why are you using Farsi word Khabar? So Shankarrao Kirloskar deleted word Khabar and magazine was very popular in Maharashtra only by name Kirloskar. K. Shankar Pillai, Balasaheb Thackeray, R.K. Lakshman are the India's sharpest cartoonists and satirists. Do you know the full name of this cartoonist? Full name of R.K. Lakshman is Rasipuram Krishna Swami Lakshman and full name of Balasaheb Thackeray is Bal Keshav Thackeray. Just over a century ago, the art of cartooning came to India from England. Political cartoonists demolished the establishment and political leaders through cartoons and caricatures. As a nation, we are rather prone to talk politics, whether at railway station, office or road. R.K. Lakshman's Common Man is very popular in India. What's common about Common Man character? Do you know? Is that like most Indians, he sees his country being forced to endless indignities by its leader and does not even whimper in protest. A cartoon should be drawn keeping in view the appropriate anatomy, expressions, composition, perspective, etc. There is much humor in Indian proverbs and in Indian stories. Cricket and cartoon came to India with the British. A message conveyed through the eyes penetrates deeper than that which has to depend on the ear. जब जुबान चुप हो जाती है तब आंखें बात करती है. Cartoons are of a silent nature and silence is more eloquent than words. Our civilizations begin with drawing on the wall. Cartoon tells more in few lines than do 10,000 words. Cartoon is pictured thought. Take time to laugh. It is the music of the soul. Cartoon not only gives us pleasure, but a new insight into current events. For a true cartoonist is not just a maker of fun, but one who sees the inner significance of an event and by a few master strokes impresses it on others. I will show you how to draw expressions. See how small strokes can create changes in the expression of faces. For producing various kinds of facial expressions, you sit before mirror and see and study how you put on different kinds of expressions to reflect different moods. I am doing one-man cartoon show in parties, corporate events, anniversaries. I will teach you how to draw cartoons. Learns to draw cartoons before he writes. Man learns to draw before he writes. Cartoons and caricatures are the essential part of the makeup of newspaper. Newspaper without cartoon is like soup without salt or tea without sugar. Now I will show how to draw cartoons. Please watch carefully and don't forget to laugh because laughter is the best medicine. This is the style of drawing caricature of international cartoonist David Lowe. Now I will show you how to draw expressions on faces. Please watch. See how I draw the expressions, different expressions of different bases, on different bases. This man is smiling, this man is laughing, he is angry and he is crying. Friends, you can draw cartoons from anything, anything. From alphabets, from numbers. I will show some examples. This letter is A. This letter is A. And see how I draw a cartoon of aeroplane from letter A. See. This letter is T. And see how I draw a cartoon of a very famous animal. Tiger. That. Now I will show you how we draw the political cartoons of different political leaders. We are all always reading SMS. But are you seeing the picture of SMS? I will show and draw the picture of SMS, cartoon of SMS. See, and you will enjoy definitely. My long form of SMS is Sri Manmohan Singh. Sir,
Can you draw my caricature? Is it
Yes,
possible?
Yes, it's possible, person. And I will show people how to draw caricature.
Very nice.
This time.
So, see, look at my face, and now sir is going to draw my caricature. I am also very interested to know how this is carried out. So, I am standing in front of you. Observe my face.
You see carefully and definitely you will learn how to draw caricature.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't move.
Okay.
Thank you.